Hey everybody, so welcome to the channel. So today was just a crazy day. Everything started just dumping around. I think it was around 1 or 2, maybe even earlier than that. And it was just on the tariff war kind of continues with Trump and China about the rare earth minerals. So it was just depressing to really watch all your investments and everything just take a huge haircut. I don't know compared to what you guys are getting, but it was just it was a bad day for everybody out there. And so you just gotta start the weekend bad. So hopefully the cooler heads prevail and things start to cool down. But you never know. It may take a while for things to settle down. With U.S. and China, I know that there was some meeting that Trump canceled. Uh, based on those rare earth minerals, and then China. So there's a lot of back and forth. And I thought the tariffs were kind of settling down, but of course, you look at the price of groceries, that's not the case. But as far as the market it was kind of behind us for a while. But that's not the case now. It took a huge drop. But yeah, like stocks in the afternoon were, and then now in the evening here, just the crypto was dropping as well. But it came bounced up some. But I'm just gonna keep doing what been doing and just buying and holding my nose, and then but crypto kind of doing the same. But it's let's wait for everything to play out. That's my plan. What's gonna I think things will settle down. But it was kind of due for something like that because they were just going up. We had some days where it was just up 7 days in a row, and that can't last forever. And things, something like this had to happen, which it did. So good things don't last forever. But I hope everybody's having a good day and we'll have a good weekend out there. And just let's see what happens Monday. And just yeah, it was crazy. But the one thing that I was in that really took off was BigBear.ai, and then it was doing really good, and it was just there was some news on that. I don't know if they got another deal or something like that. That they're getting some recognition. So maybe you never know. They could be like another pound here. So I think I am gonna keep delving into buying into more Big Bear. But yeah, and then once that Trump China news, it was holding strong for a while, and then it took a drop as well and closed negative. And but I think I'm just gonna keep DCing into it. I have some shares right now, so I don't really care where they're at. They're at Mumu, and I'm not a really big fan of holding things long term in Mumu, but I think I have a good chunk shares already, so I think I'm just gonna keep building onto it. But like I'm saying, like even with Big Bear, you look at the daily was just horrible, the chart. But if you look at the long term chart, it does look like it's coming out of it's trying to break out of that channel there was it met before around 7 and 8. So it's fighting that, but I think it's the long term. That chart looks really good long term. I think it could break out at 10, and then I think it's going to be it's going to do well. Could be like just not like a Palantir, but more like some of the quantum computing stocks, how they broke out. So it could be one to watch. So a lot of these AI stocks really haven't taken off. A lot of smaller ones haven't, but the quantum has, but the smaller ones, yeah, it really hasn't. So it's one to watch. So let's see what happens Monday with AI and AI stocks and this whole Trump China feud that's going on. Hope things settles down. But I know it's not gonna settle out in a day. It's gonna take a while. But these tariffs are hurting everybody. And just go to the grocery store and you'll see how they're affecting everybody, along with inflation. But let's hope the rates are lowered a little bit. Helps everybody out. But yeah, if you like this video, like, subscribe. Not a financial advisor like that, so hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Love to have you guys on board, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys around.